Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. The topic of today's discussion is empirical formula and molecular formula. Now, what is empirical formula? What is its definition? The chemical formula which shows the simplest whole number ratio between the atoms of different elements present in a compound is called empirical formula. Dear students, it shows the simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number ratio between the atoms of different elements present in a compound. For example, empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide is HO, glucose is CH2O, the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, and we will divide it by 6. Therefore, its simplest formula is CH2O. In the case of hydrogen peroxide, its molecular formula is H2O2 and its simple formula is HO. Now, in the case of benzene, the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6 and its empirical formula of benzene is CH. In the case of water, empirical formula and molecular formula both are same, H2O. In the case of sodium chloride, its empirical formula is NaCl. Dear students, now what are the steps in which we can find out the empirical formula? Now the steps, different steps to determine the empirical formula. Dear students, number 1, find out the percentage of each element. This is the first step, dear students. To determine the empirical formula, first of all, find out the percentage of an element by using the formula mass of the element divided by molar mass of the element multiplied by 100. And in this way we can find out the percentage of each element. Now, dear students, the second step is find out the number of moles. Find out the number of moles, that is gram atoms. Now, dear students, in order to find out the gram atoms of each element by dividing the percentage of each element divided by its atomic mass of the element. In this way we can find out the number of moles, that is gram atoms. Now the third step is find out the atomic ratio. Dear students, to determine the atomic ratio of each element by dividing the number of moles of the element divided by smallest number of moles of the element. Dear students, in order to find out atomic ratio in fraction, this is step number 4. Dear students, if atomic ratios are not in simple whole number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, then multiply it with small suitable number to get the whole number ratio. That is, for example, we have 1.5 digit, then we will multiply it by least number, that is 2, and its whole number is 3. Now the last step is empirical formula. Now, in the last step, when we follow all these steps, then empirical formula of any compound can be obtained. Dear students, this last step is empirical formula. Then we will be able to find out the empirical formula of any compound can be obtained. Now, what is molecular formula? Dear students, what is the definition of molecular formula? The formula which gives the total or exact number of atoms of different elements present in a molecule of a compound. It gives the exact number of atoms of different elements present in a compound. Of different elements, exact number of different elements present in a compound. For example, the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, glucose C6H12O6, sulfuric acid H2SO4. These are the exact or actual number of atoms which are present in the following compounds. Now, dear students, what is the relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula? Dear students, there are different steps in which we can determine, we can find out the relationship between both the formulas. Molecular formula may be integral multiple of empirical formula. For example, step number 1 is molecular formula may be the integral multiple of empirical formula. For example, molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. What is the empirical molecular formula of glucose? C6H12O6. Now, dear students, this molecular formula, now what is the empirical formula? Its empirical formula is CH2O. That is, we have divided it by 6. Then its empirical formula of glucose will be CH2O. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, while the empirical formula of benzene is CH. That is, we have divided it by 6. So, value of N is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now, it means that molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, which is 6 times the empirical formula of benzene, that is CH. In this, similarly, the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, which is 6 times the empirical formula of glucose, that is CH2O. So, molecular formula is related to empirical formula as there is a formula that is, we can say that molecular formula is equal to N multiplied by empirical formula, and if we find out the value of N, then molecular formula will be divided by empirical formula mass. So, N value is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Dear students, N shows the ratio of molecular mass and empirical formula mass. Now, dear students, point number 2, compounds may have empirical formula but no molecular formula. Now, my dear students, there are certain compounds which have empirical formula but they don't contain molecular formula. For example, sodium chloride has empirical formula NaCl. So, empirical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl, and it does not have, ionic compounds cannot have molecular formula, as sodium chloride is an ionic compound. All ionic compounds have empirical formula but no molecular formula. Now, the point number 3 is that a compound may have same empirical formula and molecular formula. There are certain compounds, dear students, which have same empirical formula and same molecular formula, and their value of N is 1. For example, water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2, NH3 ammonia, sugar C12H22O11, and methane, etc. They have same empirical formula and same molecular formula. For such compounds, the value of N is unity, that is 1. For such compounds, the value of N is 1. Now, last but not the least point is, now dear students, the last point is molecular compounds having same molecular formula are called isomers. Iso means same, mer means part. For example, ethyl alcohol, its molecular formula is C2H5OH, while diethyl ether molecular formula is oxygen is present in the center and on the both sides ethyl group is attached, C2H5. And both have same molecular formula, that is C2H6O, but they both are different compounds. One is alcohol and other one is ether, but their molecular formula is same. Dear students, I have explained empirical formula, steps to determine the empirical formula and molecular formula, and the relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula in detail with the help of examples. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thank you.